All right, thank you for tuning in. If you are new to the channel, we are the Boeckle Brothers. I'm Jesse.
And I'm Landon.
And usually I would say that we flip 325 homes out in Las Vegas, which of course we have. But today we're here in Scottsdale, Arizona, meeting two of our students on a very special flip. For the first time, the Boeckle Brothers are going to Arizona.
So we always talk about the importance of networking within our academy, the Boeckle Brothers Academy, and that's exactly what we've done. We have Mike Cordova and his wife Danielle Cordova here with us. They're in the Boeckle Brothers Academy, and they brought us our first deal in Arizona. Thank you, guys.
Very, very happy. Very happy.
I'm Mike. I'm from California, Southern California. We've been flipping houses out here in Scottsdale, and we joined the program right at the beginning, and Landon told us that he wanted us to get a luxury flip in Scottsdale, so we did, and here it is.
Perfect.
I found it on the MLS because Landon actually called me out on one of the calls. He said that he wanted to do a house in Scottsdale, so I went on the hunt and I found this one the very same day. My husband put all the numbers together and emailed everything over to him, and they decided they wanted to do the property with us.
So we're always looking to partner with our students. The more deals we can do, the better. There's a lot of money to be made on this deal as well. Once again, like they said, picked it up off the MLS, $0 marketing cost, and I think we're gonna make a lot of money, but you gotta stay till the end to figure out exactly how much we're gonna make. Now let's walk this house.
So immediately upon walking into this house, one thing that we really loved, straight from the front door, is it's got a big wide open field. There's a big room here, massive great room with lots of light coming in, and now we're in basically the center of the home where we see our kitchen, dining area, and wall. Can you guys walk me through our design for what we're gonna do to this space?
So we're gonna do the signature Boeckle Brothers wall over here, the focal wall, kind of some shiplap, the fireplace that all the Boeckle Brothers houses have. We're gonna square up this corner here, take this fireplace out and add a bunch of square footage here. Over here, we're gonna take this window and move it into the corner, and then we're gonna put a 16-foot slider all the way over to pretty much where it's at existing now.
Man, that's gonna add so much more light into this room. This whole back wall is gonna be glass, and a 16-foot slider, that's a big slider. What does the GC have in the budget for that slider?
I think 25.
25,000?
Yeah.
And although there's not much to see in the backyard right now, and we're probably not going to landscape and do pretty much everything that you could do to this yard, I hope somebody comes through, looks through that big new slider and sees the potential in their lot, because we get an oversized lot with this house.
Yeah, 1¼ acre.
Sweet.
Wow, that is huge. The kitchen's a little bit odd too, so I want you to make sure that we show everyone how it has this weird step up.
Demonstrate the step up.
Okay, so here in the kitchen, we're going to take out this weird step that is here, level off the entire kitchen, push that wall back, do some cabinetry in the back, get rid of the window, do some cabinetry here, refrigerator stays where it is, and then we'll do our nice long island right here to square up the kitchen.
And it's not just any island though, it's that signature Boeckle Brothers 5-foot wide, 8-foot long waterfall island.
Yep.
Can't miss that.
Weird difficulty with this level here. We're gonna have to take this down. The other thing that we're gonna have to do is basically move over the plumbing, the entrench into the island so that we got the dishwasher and the sink in the island. Other than that, this isn't too hard for us. Getting rid of some soffits, moving some stuff around, adding some pendants is all within our scope.
Yeah, the nicest thing about this house, like we said when we walked through the front door, is just how wide open this space is. So once this kitchen's all one level, opened up with a big waterfall island, this room becomes super elegant. Really nice and big, huge TV wall. I love this house.
Cool, well let's go see primary bedroom. So in this room, it's a great, big, nice and wide primary bedroom. It has its own access to the outside. We're not gonna do a ton to this room. We're gonna trim out the bed wall so you immediately walk in and see some nice feature on that wall. We're gonna add the pony wall fireplace, put the TV above it like we usually do in the primary bedrooms. Most of the effort is gonna be put into the primary bath, so let's go look at that.
So the nicest thing about this house is the primary bedroom is huge and the bathroom's good size as well, and it gives us a great space to build out a really custom spa style shower. So we have some really good ideas for this one. We're gonna take the tub out of the corner, we're gonna take the corner shower out, and we're gonna put a nice long curb from wall to wall here with 7-foot glass across. And on this one, we're gonna do something really special. We're gonna take a freestanding tub, put it inside the shower, and then for the actual shower portion over here, we're gonna have a nice rain head shower with 2 shower valves on that wall. So this is gonna be a really big showpiece for this primary bathroom.
So we're in the laundry room here. As you guys can see, it's a little bit cramped, kind of feels a little bit small. So you guys had a really good idea of how to open this up.
Yes, since we are kind of in the foothills and it gets kind of muddy, kind of rainy here sometimes, and you don't want to come in and track into your home, we're going to do a mudroom on the left-hand side over here. So we'll do a nice bench with some shiplap and some hooks and some shelving on top, and then we'll just do our regular laundry room over here with the cabinet sink and the washer and dryer.
Perfect.
Primary bedroom on one side of the house and all the other bedrooms and baths on the opposite side of the house. So it's nice that they're separated. We have a powder bath up front here that we're gonna refinish, nothing crazy there.
Nope.
We have a front bedroom here that's gonna be completely refinished. And then we wanna show you a huge value add that we're making to the back bathrooms. So we have a large back bedroom here with a Jack and Jill bathroom, but I want you to come and check out the bathroom. As you can see, it's large, it's oversized, and it's shared with the other room. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna split this bathroom in half, put a vanity in this room, so it's an ensuite full bath for the back bedroom, and then Jesse's gonna tell you what we're gonna do with the other side.
So this wall can actually move into that bathroom a little bit because it's so oversized, giving this one a little more size. We're gonna change the way the doors are set up here so that that bedroom enters into its own bathroom and this bedroom enters into its own bathroom as well, adding some value to the house. Instead of the Jack and Jill, each bedroom has an ensuite bathroom, definitely a plus. So we're out here in the backyard. As we mentioned before, we have a ton of land, over an acre, which we're not gonna have the chance to landscape all of it, but we're gonna dress up this local area right here, make more of a patio, maybe make a nice fire pit hangout space. But Mike actually found a little secret for us. Do you mind telling him about it?
Yeah, I wanted to save the best for last. So we have already a landing up top, or a porch or a deck up on the roof. And all we need to do is add a staircase, which already has a foundation for it, just like this house over here. And I think it's gonna add a lot of value.
So wait, that's a rooftop patio?
Yep.
Can we go up?
Patio.
Can we get up there?
Of course we can.
We gotta get a ladder, let's get up there.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Okay, so what you guys have all been waiting for are the numbers on this house. What are the numbers on this house? What do we lock this up for?
$750,000.
Right?
Okay, so $750,000 purchase. We already got a bid from a general contractor, and that's at,
257, 255.
okay. So we're all in purchase and construction, just about $1 million, and the resale value is gonna be
Somewhere between 1.3 and all the way up to 1.5.
1.3 to
Wow.
1.5. 1.3 is kind of our safe number. Do you remember what we made at that number?
I think after
100
our money costs and after our interest and holding, I think it's close to about 170, 180.
I think it was.
Yeah.
So 170,000 at our safe number. So if it goes for 1.5, I don't know. We're going on vacation. We're doing something. We owe you some drinks if that happens.
We're doing a lot more of these, but I want to stress the importance of how they brought us this deal and how the partnership was formed. So obviously we mentioned before that they're 2 students of ours. They're very active in investing and flipping themselves and looking on the MLS for deals. They didn't just send us an address or a Zillow listing and say, hey, Jesse and Landon, what do you think of it? They sent us an email, they called us, they said, I like this house, here's why. Here are 3 comps for the house. Here's the value I think that we could get for the house if it's all rehab. And using your calculator, this is what I think we could make on it. So they gave us the full picture of this entire project, which allowed us to feel confident in them, partnering up, flying all the way out here to take a look at it, locking it up, and now we're moving on to purchasing this property and starting our first project in Scottsdale.
Yeah, we're super excited for it. First off, thank you guys so much for thinking about us, bringing us the deal. We really look forward to partnering with you on this one and many more afterwards.
Yes, thank you guys so much for taking this project on with us, or it may not have happened. So we appreciate it.
Yep, we're super excited. If you guys have deals that you want to bring to us, drop them in the comments below. We're always happy to look at them with you and partner up possibly.
Yes, please ask us any questions you have, or you can ask Mike and Danielle questions too. We'll tag their Instagrams in the description of this video. But until then, we'll see you on the flip side.